No jailbreak or computer is needed for this video, guys. This actually works and it is super insane. Alright guys, so today in this video I will show you how to get free coins on ReelShort in 2026. So as you can see, we are broke, but now with this button we can press and we can add free coins. So as you can see guys, the coins should start going up on the ReelShort, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So it works on iOS and Android. So let's see if our coins go up. Alright, so let's see guys. Should start. Yeah, there we go. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this for iOS and Android, guys. So let's get straight into the video. So first things first, go to settings and turn on background refresh, turn on battery mode. Where is it? Yeah, turn this off, okay? Alright, now matrixmods.com, and then find the ReelShort, press on it, and before it downloads, it's going to be a verification, so you just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, and it says almost there. So you could do 2 apps. Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds. And then we got lots of these. So you do whatever you want to do. I don't really care. But make sure you download 2 of the apps like Travel Town. You're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, that's how I do it, guys. So it's super cool. This is fully working, by the way. So you can be enjoying it daily. And that's really the best part. So yeah, I mean, if you're broke, bro, you gotta get down and try this out. A lot of people don't know what to do in life with the coins and ReelShort, but I know how to provide for you guys. So there you go, guys. There's the life hack video for you. Free ReelShort coins, super cool, guys. So make sure you do the verification and you should be all set. So yeah, super cool. Peace out, my gang. This is actually legit. How can you say it's legit, bro? Who provides a real tutorial besides me? I mean, this is so crazy, bro. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. So yeah, I don't really know anyone that's found something like this, so to me it's the best mod. So yeah, just make sure you guys do the verification. Also, if you press help, there's a video so you can watch this. So that's really cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super insane. And yeah, it's been a great pleasure to use free coins right now. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. I don't know about anyone else that has this, so that's the main reason I'm sharing it, because I think it's a secret that needs to be kind of brought to light. So yeah, there you go. Press help and watch a video if you need it. And that's how to get free ReelShort coins. So if this video worked for you guys, I want you to get down and dirty in the comments. Tell me what I did wrong and how to provide more mods for you guys. If there's a favorite game of yours, drop it in the comments and I can probably find mine. So this is super cool, guys. So I'm gonna see you later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, bro. This is legit. Just make sure you download 2 apps. You can be good to go, guys. So I'm gonna see you later, but yeah, tell your friends. Peace out, my gang. This is legit, and you gotta get down and try it out for free ReelShort coins. So I'll see you later and get it down.